Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to OPPO FIND N2 FLIP. First of all, go into Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere app, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Following that, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi and receive Next to Send at the bottom of your OPPO. Also on OPPO, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi. You need to tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above. You can also just tap on the chosen files. Finally, when finished, tap on Send next to selected. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to use this QR code, select the scanning icon next to Input key on OPPO. Then allow camera access by choosing while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code and wait. If you want to enter this 6-digit key though, you need to click on Input key section next to the QR code. Type in all of those numbers and connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!